Welcome back. A new AI-powered dog may soon take the place of a real live pet living in your home. The Metadog by Elephant Robotics is billed as a lifelike robot companion. It can respond to human voice commands like a dog would by barking, wagging its tails, and even moving its head and eyes.
It's a little creepy.
I mean, the eyes are kind of creepy.
Yeah, the eyes, like it's giving you the side eye at certain times. I'm like not fond of that.
You know what I do like? I do like that it's kind of fluffy. It's not like those creepy robot dogs are like,
But I feel like it could look like that if it starts walking.
Yeah, just a little bit.